So what's going on, guys? This is David with DC Appliance Repair. First things first, I'd like to appreciate all my supporters and subscribers that I have. I appreciate all the people that comment and like on my channel. It means a lot to me and allows other people to see what we're about. I wanted to do this little video because I know a lot of guys have questions, and I want to be able to answer these questions for you. I want to know what kind of video you guys would like to see. And also, you can comment down in the comment section with any question you may have, and I promise I'll get to you as soon as possible. And also, you guys can reach out to my telephone number. My telephone number is 850-736-7438. Feel free to reach out to me, send me a text. If I don't respond to you, if I don't answer, I promise you I'll get back with you as soon as possible. But I just wanted to, put this video out there to see some of the content maybe you guys would like to see. I know I put things out there, but I want to put stuff out there that may be helpful to you guys and help you grow your business. But man, look at this beautiful view we got out here. Beautiful out here on Navarre Beach right now. But like I said, shoot me a question, see if I can help you. This is David with DC Appliance Repair, and y'all have a good day.